हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। तबाही मचा हुआ है मार्केट में। फ्री फॉल। कुछ कहने को नहीं है, बट लेट्स सी। आई एम होपिंग अराउंड 24,000 और मे बी 22,500 विल बी द लास्ट स्टॉप, एंड देन ए गुड अमाउंट ऑफ बाइंग कैन कम. दैट इज माई एक्सपेक्टेशन एंड वट एवर द चार्ट्स टेल टू मी. Anyway, I have recorded one video about our upcoming strategies, the perspective of the strategy on which we have created our new upcoming strategies. देखिए, बैकग्राउंड मैंने ग्रीन कर दिया है। ठीक है, आप लोग अगर देख सकते हैं मेरा बैकग्राउंड खाली ग्रीन में ही भरा पड़ा है। इसका मतलब कुछ नहीं बनता एक्चुअली, जस्ट फॉर ए फन. आई होप in upcoming days, whatever effort we are putting, so there will be good amount of output in terms of ROI may generate. Okay, so nothing is guaranteed, but we have tried our best. देखिए, आईपी ने तो आज का काम कर दिया है. So this was the first strategy which came which went live today, and it has done a decent job. So if I would show you about our deployed strategies, so strategies are doing good actually. Means I cannot say that it is a very favorable market, but still आईपीएस तो है ही हमारी मतलब वन ऑफ द पुरानी स्ट्रेटेजी जो कि काफी अच्छा परफॉर्म कर ही रहा है. इवन बैंक निफ्टी कॉकटेल ओल्ड आल्सो डिड वेल. बीपीडब्ल्यू इज स्ट्रगलिंग बिकॉज ऑफ द सो मेनी डायरेक्शनल मूव्स. एक्सपायरी स्ट्रेटेजी डिडंट टेक एनी एंट्री टुडे. कॉकटेल इज रनिंग कॉस्ट टू कॉस्ट एंड हाइब्रिड इंडेक्स स्ट्रेटेजी क्या मस्त स्ट्रेटेजी बनाया. मीन्स आउट ऑफ ऑल द स्ट्रेटेजीज विच रिसेंटली वी हैव एडेड, so I would say hybrid index strategy is doing amazing job in controlling the volatility, in controlling the direction, being a strangle strategy. So it is doing good, and even its successor hybrid index strategy new yesterday it has booked a very decent kind of profit. Today also it is running nearby cost. Hopefully it will be positive by end of the day. Let's see where it comes. Anyway, index expiry strategy has done well. Index positional star upgrade is little bit struggling because of the highly directional move, but never mind. It has also given decent profit yesterday. Okay, and Bank Nifty cocktail upgrade. So this is one of the strategy where I am very much hopeful. It deals with monthly options with multiple strategies, and I have deployed this 3 4 days before only. Today is October 25, 22. Yeah, 3 days before only I have started live testing on this strategy, and it is doing good. Okay, so this is about our current ongoing strategy. So let's talk about. Yesterday I discussed about three perspective. Perspective number one is we'll be focusing on intraday strategies. Um, we'll be focusing on our expiry based strategy, and third perspective is we'll be focusing on the bank nifty monthly options. Okay, so in this video let's it will be another 15 20 minutes video, and let's see how much I can cover within this. So our what will be our intraday part? So let's talk about first part. So first part is index premium meter. So we have done one interesting change in index premium meter. Okay, so index premium meter will trade completely intraday as it is. Okay, so what is the interesting change? I would say everyone by this time everyone know that index premium meter in upcoming days till September till November 13, Bank Nifty weekly option expiries will be there, where index expiry strategy, sorry, index premium meter will be trading Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, 3 days. It will trade till 13th of November. Till 13th of November, until Bank Nifty weekly expiry जब तक है, तब तक Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it will trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Same semi-directional strategy here. Strategy behavior you guys already know, so I'll not go into much deeper. But it will trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Thursday and Friday it will trade in Nifty and Sensex. till November 13. November 13 onwards, every Bank Nifty weekly expiry will not be there. So every day it will trade in Nifty and Sensex both. Nifty will start at 9:16 a.m. and Sensex straddle will be entered at 9:18 a.m. Strategy capital will remain same, 2.2 lakhs around. I'll update. I'll increase little bit the capital, 2.2 lakhs. And then 248 जैसे कि ये एग्जिट होता है आईपी अभी भी है, टीएसएल वगैरह जैसा 1% मैक्सिमम लॉस अप टू 1.5% टारगेट, टीएसएल ऑल्सो देयर. सो इट इज लाइक सेम आईपी ओनली इंस्टेड ऑफ बैंक निफ्टी इट विल बी रिप्लेस्ड विद सेंसेक्स आफ्टर 13th of November. Okay. There is one more change in the last week of the month. Okay. Last week of the month, like this month, last week will be the next week. Okay. So last week of the month, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, for 3 days, again, IP will trade. So for an entire month, only for 3 days, IP will trade Nifty and Bank Nifty. All other days after 13th of November, IP will trade in Nifty and Sensex. So in monthly, if you can say there are 21 days working days. So out of 21 working days, 18 days IP will trade in Nifty and Sensex. Only last week, only on the last Bank Nifty last week of the month where monthly expiry will happen. So on that last week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, IP will trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so 3 days Nifty Bank Nifty, 18 days Sensex and Nifty till 30th of November. In a week, 3 days Bank Nifty and Nifty, Thursday and Friday, Nifty and Sensex till 30th of November. Okay, pretty much clear about IP. So there is one more strategy which will deal with conservative way within 1% loss, that is hybrid index strategy new. So from starting of 1st November, first 4th November, I think the November month will start. 1st of November is Friday holiday, 2nd, 3rd Saturday, Sunday. So 4th November onwards. 4th November onwards, hybrid index strategy will trade in Sensex and Nifty. Okay. So the operation is same. There will be 3 pairs of Sensex and 2 pairs of Nifty. So all total there will be 5 pairs in this hybrid index strategy like now. Okay. So out of 3 pairs of the Sensex, 1 pair will be overnight pair, and there can be one directional trade at the end of the day. Okay, like hybrid index strategy does it now in Bank Nifty. Same thing will happen with Sensex. So basically in HIS, Sensex will replace Bank Nifty completely. Whatever Bank Nifty is doing right now in HIS, it will be replaced by Sensex, and Nifty will be as it is right now in HIS. So HIS will operate with Nifty and Sensex starting from 4th November. Okay. Capital is 5.3 lakhs. Rest target stop loss, everything remains same. 0.8% maximum loss in a day we have kept, and target can be 1.2% in a day. Okay. Rest everything it is as it is. It will be a strangle strategy only. Okay. Overnight risk will be very limited with tight OTM hedge. So no need to worry. I would consider hybrid index strategy. See, the major difference in intraday and positional strategy is, in positional strategy it is very difficult. The risk is very high. Okay. In positional strategy, risk is very high. The way hybrid index strategy has been created, we have limited our losses to within 1% at any cost in kind of any extraordinary overnight opening, extraordinary next day opening, gap opening. Okay. So in that case, I would not consider hybrid index strategy is a positional strategy. It is just like to get better premiums or better strike. One kind of diversification we have added, that 1 pair will start one day before. Okay. So whoever are looking for intraday strategy, I would straight away recommend you can go ahead with hybrid index strategy from November 4th. Hybrid index strategy and IP, they are the two intraday conservative strategy where in both of the strategy in a particular working day you cannot lose more than 1%. Within 1% will be your loss, and your gain will be also limited within 1% to 1.2% maximum gain can happen. Okay, so this is we are talking about only strategy upgrade. We are not talking about the capital upgrade, which will definitely happen as per the lot size or contract size change. So that will happen later. So that we will not discuss right now. Okay. So one part is done. Okay. Now one of the I'll show you something and you will understand. Okay. So let's go to deployed, and in deployed strategy, I'll show you something from where we are coming for IPS upgrade. Okay. So if you see, I think it has been paper trade. Okay. So in paper trade, if you can, not paper. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think it is paper trade only. So if you see one strategy, index premium, index position star V2. Okay. So this particular strategy, if you see, uh, we are running this since October, since August 1. So August, September, October. So we are running this strategy since 3 months. Okay. So in 3 months, it has done decent thing. And what it does. So like today it's Sensex. So today it is running with Sensex expiry. Okay. Yesterday it ran in Nifty because yesterday was Nifty expiry. Day before yesterday it ran in Bank Nifty because it was Bank Nifty expiry. Then Fin Nifty expiry, and then BankX expiry. Okay, so basically, what this particular strategy is doing, it is trading in every day. It is trading in expiry logic, expiry index. Okay. And what is the logic? The logic is very simple. We have not created any. So there has been many requests that IPS is running pretty good. So please try to conserve IPS logic. So the IPS logic actually we have conserved in this index positional star logic. We have conserved in this 258 entry. The only thing is IPS runs on Nifty and Bank Nifty right now. So instead of doing that, we are running it with two pairs, but only on the expiry index. And you will be amazed by seeing the statistics. Okay. Initial days are little harsh. It was not giving much return, but later time it has given very good return. If you see the monthly return, average monthly return 6.5% in August, September, October, 3 months. Okay. So it has done well, basically. Okay. So, but right now, so I was about to introduce this strategy after 3 months of testing. I was about to introduce this for all Tretron users live, but unfortunately, the Delhi expiry index is going. So, no worry at all. So, what is happening right now in this strategy? So, right now, I told you, right? So, we'll have index positional star, which will eye on expiry days, right? So on expiry day, what it will do? It will be trading on 11 days. It is pretty much clear. The way I have shown you, 258 every day there will be an entry, and there will be an exit at 2:45 p.m. next day. So every day there will be one counter in IPS like it happens right now. Okay. So every 11 days it will trade on expiry index. Other days, how it will trade? Other days it will trade on Nifty cocktail. So Nifty cocktail in the sense, there will be a Nifty basket of the Nifty, not I would say basket. It is just three strategies we have combined, which will do their operation as per IPS logic only. Okay, IPS logic only. They will do their operation on Nifty index because I thought to do the same with Sensex, but since Sensex didn't have proper backtesting data, the data are not available to backtest. So that is why I didn't go for backtest. So ये जो 11 दिन एक्सपायरी इंडेक्स पे काम करेगा करेगा आईपीएस अपग्रेड. The other The other 10 days, this particular strategy will work on Nifty, only Nifty. 258 एक Nifty counter start होगा, two pairs of the Nifty with little bit directional leg if at all. Okay, so in that way, it will work with tight OTM hedges. No need to worry. The overnight legs are properly hedged. Okay, properly hedged where there will not be any kind of high kind of loss like in current version of the IPS. What happens when market opens unfavorable state with 2-3% gap, so some 3-4% loss also can happen. So no need to worry. In IPS upgrade, no such things can happen. We will be holding with very tight OTM head and only a single pair. Okay, so no need to worry. It cannot have more than 1.5% or 1% loss in any kind of gap opening. Okay, so in that case, we have tried our best to safeguard this IPS upgrade. So where the capital requirement will be 2.5 lakhs and the stop loss, the target will be 4,000, stop loss is 3,000 per day. Okay, so per day per X. Okay, so in that case, 11 days expiry index it will trade. Other 10 days it will trade on Nifty index. Daily there will be only a single counter starting with 258 and it will end on 245 next day. On Friday, it will not carry any position. It is kind of Monday to Friday. So people right now, so whatever the problems we faced right now in current IPS version, all those problems we have addressed this. Okay, with expiry index 11 days, it will try to boost because yesterday only I have explained in my part one video that Nifty standalone strategy will not succeed purely. So along with Nifty cocktail version 10 days, we have added 11 days expiry days index to boost the ROI. Okay. Plus Friday to Monday, 3 days overnight, we are not carrying anymore. So every week, this index positional upgrade on Friday, like today, it will close all the positions and it will not take any Nifty position. Nifty position will be taken on Monday. Monday फिर से start होगा fresh. सो मंडे जो भी स्टार्ट होगा काउंटर वो मंडे आफ्टरनून को खत्म हो जाएगा, मंडे आफ्टरनून 2:45 PM एंड देन 2:45 PM इट विल टेक अनदर काउंटर ऑन सेम निफ्टी. ट्यूसडे भी रन करेगा, ट्यूसडे आफ्टरनून को खत्म होगा. वेडनेसडे ऑल्सो इट विल टेक वन मोर काउंटर ऑन निफ्टी, जो भी ट्यूसडे आफ्टरनून को स्टार्ट होगा, वेडनेसडे आफ्टरनून को खत्म हो जाएगा. देन थर्सडे फ्राइडे आर ओके. वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, सिंस इट विल बी लास्ट वीक ऑफ द ऑपरेशन, मंडे को ये क्या लेगा इंडेक्स पोजिशनल अपग्रेड, ये मंडे को बैंक एक्स में काम करेगा. Okay, there will not be any overnight positions today, but definitely it will work on it will work on BankX, and Tuesday it will work on Fin Nifty, Wednesday it will work on Bank Nifty, Thursday it will work on Nifty, and Friday. So this is the last week of the operation where every day is then expiry. Okay, so it will work, and non-expiry days it will trade on Nifty. Okay. So once this is clear, the last strategy which I want to discuss about is Bank Nifty cocktail upgrade. So it will be a monthly Bank Nifty strategy. Okay, so this is the third part where we will be focusing on the monthly Bank Nifty option. Okay, so we touch base about expiry day trading. We touch base about intraday part. So we are touching now the third part in our portfolio, that is Bank Nifty. That Bank Nifty monthly options. So if you see 3 days before only I started this particular strategy. Capital requirement is 3.5 lakhs. It is a combination of 5 Bank Nifty monthly strategies. Okay, because all those 5, so some Bank Nifty monthly behaviors are very different. Okay, monthly Bank Nifty behaviors are very different. First 10-15 days hardly we see any kind of decay, then we are seeing any decay. It doesn't mean that first 10 days nothing, no decay. There are decay, but very less. Next 15 days decay happens. Sometimes it goes unnatural spike in premium in monthly options. Sometimes weekly we are seeing very violent move, but monthly options were very calm and quiet. ओके, सो ये सारा कुछ चीजें को बेस करके अलग अलग टाइप ऑफ द मार्केट के लिए आई हैव फाइनलाइज्ड 5 strategies, and all 5 strategies I have tested it properly. It is working fine. So without any kind of loop and all. So that is the most difficult part. And all the logics individually we have tested, and then we have combined all the logics to create this complete strategy. Okay. So if you see last 5 days, how violent Bank Nifty is, but even if it is violent, it has handled it well. Okay. Even today it is handling well. Let's see where it ends. So overall, in last 3 days, it has given some 0.5% profit, which is fine considering the volatility we are seeing in the Bank Nifty. Okay. So in this strategy, we don't have any kind of stop loss. That is the most fearful factor for many of the traders. No need to worry. So if so, there are pros and cons both. Okay. When there is no stop loss, we are making sure that intraday we have proper kind of adjustment, a very aggressive adjustment. It is not like market will be moving one side and it will be just seeing the face where it is moving. So it is not like that. Very aggressive kind of directional as well as semi-directional things we have already implemented in this strategy. So intraday part, no need to worry at all. It will do the adjustments to safeguard the directional moves as well as spikes. Okay. Secondly, second kind of majority of the loss can happen overnight. Okay. So you need not to worry. So it is a 1:1 tight OTM hedge. Tight OTM hedge means whatever is the short leg, let's say this 50,000, 51,200 put was short yesterday. So 51,000 to 600 points away is 51,600 put. So 51,600 will be bought also at 320 and it will be closed at 9:16 a.m. in the morning next day. Okay. So whatever for each short leg, definitely there will be a only 600 points away long leg also. So usually the short leg has some 300, 400 premium. Okay. If you buy the buy leg, it will have 100, 50 to 100 rupees premium. So 350 points definitely we are saving, and we are just 600 points away. So maximum risk in a particular leg is 200 points, and the opposite side leg can also give profit. So what I can say, we are trying to make sure the overnight part will be as less risky as possible in this Bank Nifty monthly strategy. Okay, with tight OTM hedge overnight, and next day we are closing. Little bit number of trades will increase with this safety feature, but that is fine. That is needed because this will run for entire month. For entire month, this particular counter will run. So one single non-hedged leg can just destroy the risk reward. Okay. So even if we are seeing number of trades will little bit going ahead, without the OTM hedges, the number of trades would have been some 300 trades. With OTM hedges, overnight OTM hedges, so it is going towards 500 to 600 trades, but that is fine. Okay, this is a completely monthly strategy. In a month, only one counter, 500 to 600 trades will be there, and swift switching of adjustments as well as overnight OTM hedges we have implemented, including directional, semi-directional, non-directional, everything as much as I can. I have already equipped. In future, whenever I see any kind of monthly good Bank Nifty strategy, I may upgrade. But right now, I have done my best of my ability to create this Bank Nifty cocktail upgrade, which will run entire month. Okay. So the PNL swings will be very sharp in this particular strategy because it will run for entire month. Okay, so don't look at the PNL swing. Look at the monthly behavior, monthly drawdowns kind of thing. So like every week we check now in Bank Nifty weekly strategy. Positional weekly, how we used to check this week how much it gave, next week how much it will recover, or how much. So like this, in some months, Bank Nifty cocktail upgrade can give you 8, 10%, even 12% also I've seen in testing. So this kind of high return also it can give, and some months it can give 4, 5% loss also. So overall, 3 to 4% kind of average return I'm expecting. But again, market is supreme, nothing is guaranteed. Okay. So this is the one thing, and another thing what we are doing right now is Bank Nifty positional monthly, like Bank Nifty positional weekly we have seen. So our last strategy is Bank Nifty positional monthly. So in Bank Nifty positional monthly, we are relying on volume in monthly, because if you see, we have deployed it. On 14th of October. From 14th of October to 24th. For 10 days, there were no change at all, whatever. So basically, it is a ratio spread strategy where we have taken some OTM hedges as well as ATM straddle buy. So against this buying stops, equal number of sorts also there. So there is the number of sorts are equal to number of long legs in this. Okay. So accordingly, the as per today's movement, some kind of role happened in this. Okay. So still it has generated within last 10 days with very minimum number of trades. It has generated so far 1%. Okay. But it depends upon the volume. If you see this 52,700 put, it sold at 1,000 rupees, and it has been bought at 1,736 rupees today. Okay. I was checking 52,700 strike today. So it has volume, and without any issue, it could have completed the trade without any kind of much slippage. But again, it depends upon the volume. Okay. So that is the main reason monthly Bank Nifty options will have better volume as per my understanding, since weekly is going. But if the volume will not happen, then what to do? So because of that particular issue, I am not making it public. Whoever know understand all this kind of thing, see, we have made it completely hedged. So because of that only, even though this is running, and today 3% downfall happened, almost kind of from high to low within last 10 days. 3% downfall happened in Bank Nifty, and still it is surviving. It is though from yesterday PNL to today's PNL got little less, but it is surviving well. It is not like it will surrender in directional moves like BPW. So in directional moves also, it will do the adequate adjustments and it will survive. So no need to worry at all in this strategy also. The only concern in this strategy is the volume on the ITM legs. Okay. So because we'll be running it throughout the month, so there will be some legs where it will go as ITM. So if ITM volume will not be there, in practically, though theoretically we are not having problem, but practically we'll have problem. Okay. That is the reason. If anybody understand all these things, then let me know. I'll share the link for live trading. No worry at all. Okay. So this is about our upcoming strategies. We'll have one Q&A session on. So you just go through our part one video. This will be part two video. This is how we are going to upgrade ourselves as per SEBI's thing. So there is no way to complain. As per the changed thing, we have to adopt ourselves, and that adaptability will give us the will help us to sustain in this cruel market conditions. Okay. So we'll have a Q&A session, question and answer. I'll be happy to answer all the questions in any kind of strategy as well as futuristic perspective. The main thing is I was looking for the clarity of my thoughts, that what exactly we need in future. So when this clarity came, then automatically the strategies were in front of us, and I'm trying my best to communicate, or I'm trying my best to make you guys understand that what exactly we are going to offer. Okay. So hopefully we'll have a smooth transitions. Already the transition started with IPE today. So we'll have a very smooth transition on the new strategies. And if any kind of questions, I'll be very happy to answer over our Telegram group, as well as we'll have I'll conduct one Q&A session on Sunday, so that we'll have direct live one-to-one interaction. Okay. Okay. See you then in the session. I'll be happy to answer if any kind of question. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a wonderful trading career ahead. Bye bye.